Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to play. My name is Judith Serwaa Mafo. If you are new to this channel and if you are not, I just want to say that I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video to watch. So in today's video, I am bringing you a live update from the Kumasi International Airport. Stay connected and enjoy this video. So to start with, 3 months ago, I was privileged to come to this airport and then update you all on what is happening with regards to the new Kumasi International Airport project that was ongoing. So I just want to show you how the place looked 3 months ago, exactly 3 months ago, and comparing it to how it's looking now, and I mean today. So let's enjoy. So guys, this place is leading us to the old drop-off area, of which is going to be turned into a runway for the airplanes very soon. Once the airport is completed, this whole place will be demolished, and then this place will be turned into a runway, because this new Kumasi International Airport will be taking some international flights. Not all flights will be able to pass through, but most of the international flights will be able to pass through. So comparing what it looked like 3 months ago to how it's looking now, we have seen a lot of progress made, a lot of work done. And then I just want to say a big thank you to each and every Ghanaian and each and every one that has been responsible for this, the contractor, to the workers, to the government, to everyone. I mean, this is a facelifter for the great Kumasi city, and then I am very proud of my city, and this is how the surroundings look like. And then from what I've heard that they are going to demolish this place too. Yes, we still have some traders selling on the land, we have some mechanics there, but none of them were given the chance to really make a permanent structure. All the structures there are like structures that can be easily demolished, so that when it's time for them to work with the land, it won't be difficult. So I will stop talking now and then allow you to enjoy the atmosphere and enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. What are some of the things that you think could be done to this airport to really make it very good? Thank you so much once again for watching this video, but for now, let's enjoy.
Sampayetia. Obayan Sapuso, Bunibia, one cana sam. They map to some Kakrewa Supreme. Yo, Kofi, oh my, a woman, oh many, a mamma. Geni baby, what are warring? One song, one in pa, as I did pa of you. Demo ember, I oh my woman, oh my mamma. I do why no ra, Yamita, Yamana Rena. One song, one in pa, so I wanna be. Demo ember, I if you had one song, one in pa, as I did pa of you. Demo ember, Yamisira, Mamani Paya, the Foa, and Yanum, Kafanya Misroya.